This song's called Homesick. Mother says I go to college and make my pay. Yeah, I told her I wanna make it big someday. Get a house in a town, but a fancy town. The thought of all that has got me down, down, down. I believe found in the world, and I don't feel when you want a dollar and I earn a dime. I believe found in the world, and I don't feel when you want a dollar and I earn a dime. Father says I found a honey and get away, but I ain't got the money for fancy days. Is a life of debt really worth the time? Honey, you got yours and I've got mine. I believe found in the world, and I don't feel when you want a dollar and I earn a dime. I believe found in the world, and I don't feel when you want a dollar and I earn a dime. You want a dollar and I earn a dime. You want a dollar and I earn a fucking dime. I believe found in the world, and I don't feel when you want a dollar and I earn a dime. I believe found in the world, and I don't feel when you want a dollar and I earn a dime. You want a dollar and I earn a dime. You want a dollar and I earn a fucking dime. This next song is called Bloodshot. We're going to slow it down a little bit. Most of what you leave will follow you behind. Don't be surprised if what you're hiding inside erupts from your bloodshot eyes. You want to escape, you want to get away, but I'm never alone, pretending that you'll stay. Your bloodshot eyes. Your bloodshot what's in need will follow you behind. Don't be surprised if what you're hiding inside erupts from your bloodshot eyes. Find the light shines bright, even the moon glows on through the night. Through bloodshot eyes, through bloodshot eyes, through bloodshot prove me wrong, please prove me wrong. Maybe I've been too strong. Prove me wrong, please prove me wrong, so I'll never have to play this song. Prove me wrong, please prove me wrong. Maybe I've been too strong. Prove me wrong, please prove me wrong, so I'll never have to play this song. Through bloodshot eyes, through bloodshot eyes, through bloodshot eyes, through bloodshot eyes, through bloodshot eyes. All right, we're gonna speed it up again. This song's called Strange. Outside when I wanted to kill, a white flag waving high in the air. My friends know you all too well, I swear I'll never tell. Silver hair hold my dreams, one love but it's hard to believe. Is it real or another fling? Either way I buy that ring. Isn't it strange, so strange the way people change their ways? I had to look away. Don't say, tell me you'd stay and I'll take them bait. Story isn't over, I'll leave it on red anyway. Story isn't over, I'll leave it on red. Girl, you got a strange way of telling me no. Try to leave, but you won't let me go. Think it's time that I reap what I sow. Try to leave, but you won't let me go. I saw your car outside, look through my tear-stained eyes. My friends are alone in the air, so why do I waste my time at home alone in the night, trying to get you off my mind. I tried and tried and tried, nothing worked, so I hit your line. Isn't it strange, so strange the way people change their ways? I had to look away. Some say told me you'd stay and I take them bait. The story isn't over, I'll leave it on red anyway. The story isn't over, I'll leave it on red. Girl, you've got a strange way of telling me no. Try to leave, but you won't let me go. Take it down and I reap what I sow. Try to leave, but you won't let me go. isn't it strange? So strange, 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 isn't it strange? So strange. Girl, you've got a strange way of telling me time to leave, but you won't let me go. Think it's time to reap what I sow. Time to leave, but you won't let me go. We have been Public Meltdown. Girl, you've got a strange way of telling me time to leave, but you won't let me go. Think it's time to reap what I sow. Try to leave, but you won't let me go.
That was a great performance, guys. Thank you. I'll take my spot right back here. Yeah, no, it's gonna take weeks to scrape all that guitar fuzz off the walls back there. That was gorgeous. As for you though, do you have any final plugs for the people at home? Where can people find your music?
Yeah, you can find us anywhere that sucks. Instagram. Just kidding. You can find us on Instagram. You can find us on Facebook, Spotify, any streaming platform. MySpace. Don't look for us on MySpace. You can visit our website at publicmeltdown.com.
And they even have a TikTok, and they say you should definitely go to the TikTok. Well, thank you to Public Meltdown for a great show tonight, and as always, thanks to all of you for tuning into Sounds of the Valley. Make sure to check out our other content at mytv10.uwec.edu or on our YouTube channel at UWEC TV10. I've been your host, Evan Claymar. Good night, y'all.